you can see here, I've got the 4 kings. I've got 1, got 2, I've got 3, and I've got 4. Okay? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. Okay? So I'm going to place these on top of the deck. The first king, I'm going to bury it in the middle of the deck. The next king, place it on the bottom. The next king, bury it in the middle of the deck. And the final king, the bottom of the deck. As you can see, I've got 2 kings here, and 2 kings somewhere in the middle of the deck. I'm going to cut the cards. Okay. This trick is called the kings never leave each other. Because when I spread through the cards, there's only one set of 4 in the deck. And that is the 4 kings.